Yeah, we should be live. Let me just make sure everything sounds good. What's up, Ryan? Oh, what's up, Raman? How are you doing? My best, Cyan and Raman. Hello, freshman, Pet Zip. How is the sound, guys? Is it good? Let me know if I have to fix something. Let me see. Testing. Ah, amazing. Nice. Thailand vibes. How is this? How is this Thailand vibes? Like the music? From Bangkok. Okay, let's see. Code report. I'm gonna lower the music on my end. Let me know if I should lower it on your end as well. Shall we wait a little before I look at the code report? Oof. Is it possible to increase volume of the mic? Maybe if I just talk louder, huh? Let me see. Let's see. Now it should be a little louder. Can even increase it more. Like this. Is this good? Try this. A vintage European dream soft string classical music. The thing is, I get copyrighted, so I have to... Trust me, I looked up like music, copyright, non-copyright music, but when you play it and then it still gets copyrighted, yeah, it's a gamble, just that. Better, okay, nice. Yo guys, are you bullish for New York? Okay, let's start. I'm not gonna wait more. No, we need you. What's up, Peng? Let me just do this. Okay, let's look at COT. Let's start. S&P 500. Oi, oi, oi. They exited 40,000 short contracts. And they also exited 10,000 longs. Obviously, a lot more shorts. Long term, we're still bearish. Oof, wait. Like the delta between this is obvious that we have more short contracts were exited than long. So I'm leaning toward bullish. I haven't looked at the chart so much. Let's look at Nasdaq exited 20k, added 1000. Okay, yeah, this is so there's a correlation between them. We can look at Dow. Let me see. Yeah, okay, but S&P is the most significant one. Yeah, I'm leaning towards bullish, to be honest, from the COT report. Okay, let's take away that. Let me see what happened today or last week. Okay, we're still in the zone. Shifted lower. However, COT told me right now they exited quite a lot of sell contracts. Where are we right now? 24,650. So pre-market, we're up here already. I'm leaning towards bullish. Shift is bearish because of COT, and we are in value area low on the bigger range. So I'm still leaning towards being bullish. However, yeah, this is the bias I go into the day with. But look at this sell level. Yeah, but let's see what the market gives us. The other chart is TPO. Can you give us an idea? This is a... Wait, can you... It's not market profile, by the way. If you mean it's volume profile. Or can you rewrite your question or something? Okay, COT report. It's leaning towards being more bullish. Maybe they exit their, they took out their shorts down here. That's why we had quite a lot of short contract that got exited. That's maybe why, I don't know, they shorted up here, back down here, took out their contract. So we're still in a range, but yeah, I'm not updated on the news at the moment. I don't know if you got any big news from the war or something. So maybe we open up exploding in one direction. Monday, 9:30, we had, okay, no news. Voice is little low. What the hell? How about now? How about now? Now it should be good, right? Can you give me please an idea about the other chart? Is it a template? Yeah, it's a template. You can find it in my Discord in Deepchart templates. It's the profile framing template. Where do you learn that COT report stuff and for what is it good? I learned it from Fabio and also some own research. How it is good? Well, you know, long term. Here we can take up COT report. How it's good? You get an idea of what, or it's not what, you get an idea. You quite understand what the bigger players are doing. You just try to align yourself to what they are doing. So you just look at non-commercials and we see long term. This is how many contracts are open on short. And this is how many are open on long. So clearly we have more short contracts open on long, okay? However, if you want to look for like short term, then you can look at this. This is the changes, or you can pair them, it doesn't matter. So for example, now they exited 40,000 contracts short, and it's pretty clear why, I would assume, because look at this. Can also be some other stuff because of news and so on. But we are in value area low, and they exited 40,000 contracts here. Profit taking. Sounds like profit taking. That's my assumption. And they shorted up here because look, we rejected several times, and then we, yeah. The thing is though, they took out 10k long contracts as well, so it's yeah. But I'm leaning toward being bullish, so that's how I use it. Okay, market open in 4 minutes. Let's start. See if we're gonna come back here, rebalance to this, to the absorbed buyers up here. By the way, I'm gonna trade on the Deepchart contest account this week, or actually 11 days. I think that's how long the contest is open. Can you talk about from when you started trading until now? Oof. Way back. So I had my ICT journey. It didn't end so good. But I came into this last summer. Yeah. Until now. Last summer, learned about auction market theory until boot camp. Took the boot camp, learned about that. Then 2 months after the boot camp, so say from January till February, I just tested stuff using what I've learned, and now I'm here. Fabio said that these short closed because the institutions were taking profits, so he expects a retracement, then another move. Okay, nice. All right, nice. Yo, that glads me. That means that, and my assumption was correct. I assumed they took profits here because we are in the range, in the lower range. That's great. Thank you, Chama, for the insight. Hello, Thomas. Hello, Thomas. That's great. I love learning, and also when you get it right. Okay. Would you say that you are profitable? No. At least 6 months of consistent payouts. So no. If I've gotten payouts, yes, but no. I would say you can call yourself profitable when you, consistently take out payouts. If you get 1, 2, 3 payouts, it's nothing. No. Consistency. That's what I'm trying to say. So once you reach that mark, then I think you can call yourself profitable. Is the boot camp that you're talking about, it's Andrea, Fabio, or just both, but more Fabio. So Fabio's boot camp that they launched in December or September, something like that. Good luck playing. Are you trading prop or live? Prop. Still testing out stuff, learning. So yeah. How many you got till yet? Payouts. I would say, because they're small ones and I don't count them really as payouts. For example, I've gotten payouts that when you pass the funded account and it costs you like 150 as a combine to get the funded and also all of that, And then when I got what was it? I took out like $280 to go break even on that account, so you know it's risk free. And then I try to higher the risk, and yeah, it's quite a lot of that stuff. It's not yeah, I'm taking out the risk of the table, but getting back, so it counts like a free account. And then I went in with quite huge sizes, not anticipating to it's all it's a long story, but yeah. So in general, I would say maybe I shared one payout with you guys on YouTube. If you combine it, 4, 5, yeah, nothing big, okay, nothing big. I'm not here to lie that I have gotten like payouts like some people, $5,000. Nah, nothing like that. But I've gotten payouts. That's something, I guess. When you see some trap buyers or sellers after market open, could you please go over how you understand it, how you see it happening? Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna talk. Trust me, I like to talk. Okay, so when stuff happens, I'm gonna yap. I won't just sit silently. I'm gonna talk my idea. By the way, not financial advice. Yeah, just sharing what I learned. Okay. And I'm trading right now on the Deepchart contest account. So it's not prop firm, it's not live, it's Deepchart contest account. Okay, the first thing I'd like to point out okay, when was this? So pre-market, we broke out of this balance. More specifically, this was where we broke out of it. Came out. Trap sellers, they tried to push it back in. Failed. Now we're here. Yeah. So it's aligning quite good with the cut. Look at the buyers in the market right now. Pushing in. Look at CVD. Big players entered here. Okay. I think we will revisit up here the delta level on the top. So a break above here, I think it's gonna send it quite fast up. We got the breakout. Look at the foot. They're interested. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Connection lost? What? I just lost connection. Okay, I'm back. Then we're gonna do something like this. How much am I willing? Wait, how much can I risk on this account? 150. I think that's the Deepchart contest. What is it called? I'm gonna cover myself right below here. Okay, maybe I should have taken this on the micros, not on the damn minis. It's fine. I'm gonna put myself to break in really fast if we go up now. Okay, I'm break even. Don't want to see them fail up here. Want to see a follow through. Let's see. Here's a round quarter number. This is where option will kick in. They got, yeah, this is where they take their trades. So we usually, from what I've learned from Fabio, is when we come into this area, it slows down quite a bit. And you might find some, oof, look at the speed of tape on the sellers. Okay, I'm break even still on this trade, so this, look how much they pushed. This means that we got passive sellers right here, defending quite a lot. If we push above here, I think we're gonna get the pew, because they have to cover themselves. I'm gonna take out $80 from the market. Not gonna give that back. You trade mostly on the M1. Yeah. Not gonna give back profits. Okay, that's $70 plus. No big trades, huh? We don't have anything quite. Why is, yeah, this market open was really rollover. Oh shit. Wait, guys, I forgot to do the rollover. Maybe that's why. Okay. Okay, I did the rollover now. Okay, I will have to fix the... What? Okay. I think we're still gonna come up here, reach this. We got some trap buyer sellers right there as well. Yeah, here's the retest. Roll over. Yeah, okay. Oh, nice. Yeah, that was my mistake. I should have checked that before. Oof, look at the pressure from the sellers. The foot is also showing it. For 24,900, we're at a round number. Value area high, previous week's Friday. Yeah, if somebody's gonna sell, I would see this is the good area to look for a sell. I'm gonna try this. Cover below this. See if this holds. It's week on week action, so we got some passive buyers holding this up here. Hopefully nobody like when they trade this contest, they don't full port. Just that's so boring. Okay, we got the battle right there. If this fails, I'm gonna look for buy down here instead. They defended there on the end or on the low. Look at the foot. Sellers are entering as well. Let's see if they win this now. We might get the push up. Oof, I don't like that. Failed at the top again. Yeah, we might get stopped out on this. Okay, stopped out. I think we're going to test 24,600 before we go up. 24,600. All the way down here? Are you looking? Do you mean like POC from last week? Quick question. Why you don't wait like 50 minutes to get the notice of the market? I'm practicing something from... Oi. So Fabio says that you like market open, you is a... How can I say it? It's really volatile, but if you learn to become good at trading it, you can make money, like you get good trades really fast. That's why usually I don't know if you guys have seen, but he takes trades like 2-3 minutes into the market. But yeah, if you want to wait 50 minutes, that's safer call, of course. But if you want to, that's why I'm on the Deepchart contest, by the way. This is not prop firm account. This is not real account either. Hope that was clear enough why I don't wait. Look at 24,640. What? This will be a good level for a test. Do you mean POC from last week? This is essentially it, right? Is it live data on the Deepchart platform for the No. You have to have a prop firm account or your own live data. I have Lucid, so I just take that data feed and then I use the data for the contest. Okay, now we got the move. Ay. We broke out of this. This is the high. We have to see if we can get a closure above. Oh, look at the... Look how much results they got. And they broke above. Yeah, we're going up to this. Look at the foot. Ay, ay, ay. This was the move I wanted to anticipate. Yeah, okay. Yes, of course. If we come down to POC, there's a good level. Pre-market Asia, in Asia session, we already touched it though. Okay, retest. Yeah, we're gonna get the push up. Yeah. How could you anticipate that move? There were no long orders at the bottom. I said in the pre-market, you see this delta level that we marked out? They usually come and rebalance it. And how I could anticipate that move? We broke above. This is the range. We broke above, came back down. That's why I want to take a long here to send it higher. Buyers clearly won in this range already, okay? Above, lower, and send it. Maybe my contract is too big right now. Maybe we can go down to 40. I think on the 40 maybe. No, nothing. All of this you guys can learn from his boot camps, mentorship. It's not something I make up, okay? This is all from his mentorship. And if you I watch them, you know how he trades. It's quite aggressive. Here's the retest. Oh, yeah, sellers are pushing. Trapped sellers. I want to see the test and the reaction from it. Okay, let me see the reaction. Oof. They're holding. Oi, 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 oi. I'm gonna try it. These guys will have to cover themselves. And I think we might get the send-off. Let's see. It's coming for another retest. Really, really small stop loss. Oh, I watched all of your bootcamp videos. I watched all of. I've been learning more than them 2 hours. So my question: if you are feeling gaps from Fabio? Yeah. Some stuff is that I learned from the bootcamp is not something I'm trading right now. Like for example, this. Like there's some stuff that is not mentioned. So yeah, I'm filling in some stuff. I started changing to auction market last year, and first I saw one of. Nice, good, nice. Looks interesting also. Yeah, let's see. They defended down here. want to see if we accept above here, I'm going to break even. And please, guys, don't take these trades. I'm trading on Deepchart contest account, okay? It's not even prop firm. And I do this to test out stuff that I picked up quite recently. No buyer participation. Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay, stop that. What would you rate this trade? Nothing good. I would not rate this trade a good trade. This is a really aggressive trade setups. I would rate this trade C setup. If you want A setup, then you wait till we come down to a significant delta level, aggression level, like here, for example. And then I would wait for trapped sellers, aggressive buyers. That's a A setup. This, aggressive C setup. So not a good setup, but it's good for testing purpose. Are Deepchart planning to launch the monthly plan in... No, I have no idea, to be honest. I got it in December or something, and yeah, no idea. How much do I have left on this account? You can like, you afford to take 4 trades, 4 trades, and that's it. Okay, as soon as I'm done with this account, I'm gonna go back to, let's see. I'm giving it another go. Technically, Fabio trades like he looks at the high time for an auction, but also looking at the low time for like 5 minutes and tries to scab base of the. Yeah. This is exactly. What Fabio teaches is you can trade if you want to be conservative and trade safe. You don't trade like this. You look at the high time frame, you look at the volume profile levels, like on the daily volume profiles, and then you, like, let's look at the left. Say you are bearish or something. You look at this zone. The most significant level to take a short from is here, and you wait till price comes up there and you take a trade. But yeah, as you said, so Fabio, what he does and what I'm practicing right now on is exactly this. He takes scalps like in within ranges, and yeah, it's hard, trust me, it's difficult, but it's good to try it. I think the bubble C is only set. There is number on the top and ups. Huh? 100. Here I'm gonna show you something that I'm trying to learn from Fabio. This is the range. So when we close above, hopefully it doesn't explode like this. But then you look for the retest, look at the foot. And yeah. There's the foot. And you miss it again. Let's see if we get the retest. Basically, you try to take a trade down here. Here, for example. You see where it came down to? Exactly here. Where did we take the trade? Here. Stopped us out 2 times. But if it didn't stop us out, yeah, I don't know. You can place it like this or something. Here you have a Fabio trade. I honestly have tried to do what it does, but I burn off under. Ooh. Now I'm trying to be conservative and scalp. Yeah, just do that. Just do that. Or like, yeah, you can do that. I'm trading. I'm not testing my stuff. The things that Fabio teaches on real account, prop firm. I did on evaluations, but not on funded accounts. I don't test them there. Like here, for example, I tested on a Deepchart account. And this is the moves I'm trying to get better at catching. Range, breakout. We come back, retest. And then you try to take a long here, stop loss below. I missed this because I was actually not paying attention. Now that I look at it from this, I see. Aye. Okay, it's fine. We touched the delta level now. It's CVD absorption. Yeah, price moving higher, but they are pushing. $100 big buyer on 24,734. 24,700. Huh? 24,700. I don't have any big buyers here. Bro, can you help? How do you do pre-mark and what level you mark? Be specific. Yesterday, value, an hour. How do I do pre-market? It's like 100 stuff. Or no, it isn't, but I'm gonna show you really fast. I don't have time to go through because I want to trade also, but look at this, okay? We are in a range. Value area low. Okay, that's my pre-market. Then I come in here at market open. What do I see? A range. But I don't plot it out because I see it. I don't have to plot it out. What happens? We break out of this range. This is the range. We break out of this. We come back. Push it higher. We come back. Push it higher. That's my pre-market, okay? And my trading for now. There's more stuff, of course. You have to look, like COT report, for example. We looked at it, they looked bullish. Or it showed itself being bullish because they took profit at the bottom of the range on the left. So There's so much stuff. Like I would have to sit down with you if you want, and yeah, and I don't really do that stuff, so it's hard. And when do I plot the volume profile? Look at this. If I plot it from here, there's no difference than plotting it from here. Okay, it's gonna show you just the volume, and then you do like, it's hard to explain. You plot the zone that you want information on. It's no specific time. The retest there was lovely. Here you have another retest. I want to see. Yeah, that's it actually. We touched the level, so we might not react, or we might, I don't know. I'm gonna aim for a what is it called, for a round number, 25,000 on the dot. If this one fails, I'm going back to, I'm actually gonna go to a demo account today, since I want to try out being more aggressive today and scalp on small moves. Look how it slowed down. Oy, oy, oy. Price making higher highs and lows. Yeah, exactly. You can also look at that. Yeah, exactly. You can look at that. So trying to find a buy, not short. Let me make sure I have my contest account. Yeah, I'm gonna cover myself here. Then I'm gonna swap over to my sim account. Is this one? Yeah. Let me just make sure it works. Okay, nice. This one works. Let me take that out. This is the range. I saw your video, and mainly you marked level on daily profile and waited for there to enter. Will it also? What? Okay, shit. Yeah, Cole, can you rewrite that part, bro? I think you wrote it too fast. Do you look at the CVD? Yeah. Yeah. But I'm practicing to not needing to have to do it, like Fabio. Trump was speaking one of, so that's why price is shit. Bro, I didn't see anything in the news though. Why isn't it? Doesn't say for me on the news that Trump is gonna. Oh, now they added it. Look like shit today, to be honest. CVD bearish at the moment. Yeah, if you want to take a good side, wait until Trump finish speaking. I'm on my I'm gonna trade this today on the demo account and the Deepchart contest account. I'm not gonna do prop firm. Really, from the beginning of the set market, we can clearly see this is a shit day because look at this. Almost 40 minutes and we're still in a 1 minute range. Like, yeah, I'm gonna wait. Let's aim for a round number. 25.0. And then we can look for a scale in at. Yeah, we definitely don't have any big orders. Where are the buyers, guys? No buyers. Zero. Where will we have problem? Well, up here. This is the upper half of the range. This is uncertain because of Trump and the war. Makes sense. Makes sense. The market is kind of waiting, I guess then. Bro, I'm getting confused with Fabio. Wait, how can I be clear and do one... And do one by one from where to where, basis, F, and levels, and entry, and micro. Oi, 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 bro. That's nothing I can do right now, bro. I'm trading. But Fabio has a blood and scalp Q2 coming up, bro. Sign up for that. I would love to help you, but it's gonna take a lot of my time. And I'm trading right now for the stream. Okay, I'm going to break even right now. I'm not going to give back anything. I want to see if this is a failed auction. They bought it up. I'm gonna scale. I'm not giving back money. Let's see if they break above here. This is something I just recently picked up from Fabio. If you see how he scalps, he doesn't give you back money. He doesn't. Once it goes in your direction, stop loss break even, and then he scale and he monitor it. Don't give back money. Thank you. That's a profit at least. Wait, let me see if my contest... No, we got stopped out before it went. Ah, it's okay. It's fine. We catch the move here. Broke above, retest. I want to see what happens here. My aim would have been up here. 25,000 on the dot. Maybe cut is inside where they close 40k. Well, maybe. Who knows? Maybe like we're gonna get some good news now, huh? Yo, good guy. That's really smart. Not gonna lie, it's really good. I didn't think about that. You might have a good like. That's yo. Wait. Actually. Yeah, we got no trade. Let's go down to 40. Bars at the top. What a boring day this is gonna be. Switch big trays to 4. Ah, yeah. Yes. Done it. Can the template work on Atlas? No. I don't think so. You can make it on Atlas, but I don't think you can just import it. Oi. If they accept back in here with a closure below, I'm interested. Looking for the retest and then some aggression up here, sending it lower. This is the point. The most significant sell level. I want to see what happens here. Right there. 125 contracts. I don't think so. Pav, after Trump speak, we will have good PA. Let's see. I mean, you know, or did Fabio said how to trade the market with when C going down, but wait, let me read. Let me just take the trade and I can read the chat. I want to see what happens here. You know, okay, let me see. Trap buyers at the top, sellers entering aggressively here. Let's see if they hold it. I'm gonna try it. Cover myself above here. Oof, they bought it up. Not good. Okay, whilst we wait for that, let me read. You know, or did Fabio said how to trade the market when CVD going down, but price up like a mother or so? No, not really. No. Yeah, like when CVD goes down, so sellers are pushing, price is going up, means that buyers are controlling the auction. Yeah. But he trades like how I'm trading right now is stuff I'm picked up from his recent mentorship. And it's weird to explain, but he's scalping moves and it's really hard. That's why I'm doing it on the demo account. It's not real account. There is a big buyer at nice 24/7. What's up with 24/740? Bro, that's like mine is lower. Sorry for this bro. My okay. I don't think you can DM me, but you can send. You can submit a support. What it's called? You can submit a support. That's how you can contact me on Discord, because I got 100 DMs. So I had to turn it off. Look up submission support something. Yeah, I don't know. It's a channel for that. Can you please explain how you see trap buyers up here? You see those big buyers? You see the green bubble up here? It says 41. That's trap buyers. That's aggressive buyers that enter the market. Yeah, this failed miserably. I'm gonna kill it. What is your big trades field? I had it at 40 right now. The market is quite dead, so today we're not gonna have so much bigger players, I think. So I have it at 40. You mean bootcamp or Q1? Q1. Where's the high? See how this level is holding? This is a big cluster of Yara. Price, we're just making a higher low. Alright. What's up, Aden, bro? How much was the mentorship? Bootcamp was like 1K. This one's was like 1K. Long time no see. Yeah, bro. Where's you been, bro? Look at this failed auction. Well, we accepted higher, but we came back lower. Yeah, price is slowly chopping up and up and up. Something that I picked up from his bootcamp, like from his learnings and so on, is yeah, you have structure. You see how it's going up, but still, when he trades, he takes these scalps in the opposite direction. Really aggressive. Isn't bootcamp? Oh yeah, when I bought the package, it cost 1K something. Yeah, but yeah, bootcamp's like 300 something like that. Exams and shit. Ah, okay. How was it? Is it going good for you, bro? Yeah. Look at the CVD going lower, price going higher. Yeah, they are. Yeah, clearly one guys, buyers are controlling this. Nah, why, bro? Can I get this bootcamp for free anywhere? I have Mac, so I can't use Deepcharts. Bro, I don't know. I don't know about getting it free. Hey guys, what news feed do you use? Rhythmic. So pattern move. High low, high. Yeah. What's up, Martin? Funny day, huh? Yeah. The best day, bro. I'm not even trading this on prop. I'm on demo account. That means absorbing. Yeah. Exactly. They're pushing higher and their sellers are putting the foot on the pedal, but no results. So they are getting absorbed all the way up. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade this on a prop firm account. I saw it from the beginning. What a shitty day, bro. What makes you use Deepchart instead of Atlas, which is better by far? I got Deepcharts when they launched the mentorship and all of that stuff. I was more interested in the mentorship than Deepcharts, and now I have it for 1 year. So yeah, Atlas is definitely more robust from what I've seen, but Deepchart is clean. I like it. RTH or ETH? RTH. Nice, you're using CV now. It helps. Yeah, it helps. Did you roll over pub? Yeah, I did it. Yes, I did. Yo, Martin, I don't know why, but I like trading from 14:30 till, I don't know, 4 o'clock in our European time. I don't know, I like to start early. Or earlier. Deepcharts better in certain things, Atlas better in certain things. Like digital profile way better. Yeah, I like Deepcharts profiling. It's so clean. Like you can see the delta levels and the volume profile in one profile. So definitely it's clean. Where are you from? Serbia and Scandinavia. A country. Scandinavian country. Where you live? I guess that was the same question. For me, it's 14:45 and 16, or today I think it will be power hour. Yeah, I usually also like to stop before lunch hour. But yeah, today I won't be having so much time trading. Like I won't trade PM session, but I will. Yeah, I have other stuff to do. You look just like Powell. Do I look like Powell? Okay, 1 second, bro. Hold on, bro. Wait, did you call me bald, bro? I don't see how you can. Oh, no, wait, he's not bald. My bad, my bad. Yo, is this me? Swear. Powell Trades, the ICT guy. Who the hell is Powell Trades? This guy. How the hell do I look like this guy? Powell. Nah, hell no. 1630 Trump speaks. Yeah. Have you tried trading? No, I don't trade gold. Say good afternoon, Pop, to make them. Yeah, no, I meant. What volume profile you use, like daily, weekly, daily, and RTH? Or 5 minute, bro. Yeah, it's a 5-minute chart, but it's it's a template. Bro gotta change his haircut. he just like you, but blonde. What? What? Yo. Wait, let me make this bigger. Oh, yo. How can I crop this? So I look like this guy. You know, I closed that shit. Yeah, that's crazy, bro. The MacBook trader, bro. Damn, that he's gay. No bear. Would get that. Look that now. Close that shit. Look at his leg. The Trading Guru's mentorships kings. Swear, does he do mentorship as well on the MacBook? I open a ticket later. See and help me, bro. As you said, I could join Fabian, but I. Yeah, okay, sure. I can see if I can help you. Don't expect me to put down a whole. I don't know. If you have any questions, I can help you answer. But I can't give out. It's not like I'm holding information, gatekeeping stuff. But all info is on my YouTube videos. And his mentorship is $300. Apparently, you can buy it. But seems like, yeah, not 1,000. But okay, I'm gonna try to help you if I can. If I would be conservative, I would want to wait to price come down here. But since I'm on a demo account, this is the cluster of buys. So if you're on demo account, that's the beautiful part. You can execute what the hell you want. And then you have also this level from the buyers. This is a more significant level. And I would be more prone to take this trade than this one up here. Oi, this cluster here. Can remove this. Let me just see one thing. Yeah, this is a big zone in general. All of this. What's a AAA setup? We have a level. We have sellers absorb. We have buyers entering aggressively. Is the boot camp enough? Yeah. Shows you like the most basic way to trade it. So yeah, and he gives you all the information you need. But I covered pretty much all of that because I shared what I learned, and that's what the bootcamp mentions. So What the fuck is that? Bro trays in front of swimming pool using laptop like a game, so no need for more. No, go buy his mentorship, bro. Trump speaks, yeah, in 1 hour. I cut that short. TP hit for the third one. Nice. I shortened the top. Hope we get to the open session. Gonna be short. Let's see. Yo, where are the damn participation? Yo. No, wait. Never mind. Take my money. He also Scandi, bro. What? Is he Scandinavian? No way. His name is Powell. How is he Scandinavian? Like Andersson, something like that. That's like Scandinavian. But Powell, bro, that sounds American. That's pretty much American. Your analysis is garbage. Bro, I am price action trade. If I take Deepcharts sub and watch their course, how long it will take me to get on it? How long it will take you to get good at this? Or like how long the bootcamp is? It was like 8 videos. 1.5 hours each. 2, something like that. Norway, I think. If he's from Norway, bro, and his name is Powell, that's okay. Luca Franceschi also Scandinavian because he's in Denmark. No way. So he's a fellow land, how you say? He's a neighbor basically to my country. Yes. No, to get good wheat consistent with volume profile. Bro, you need it depends. If you just trade 1 hour a day and nothing more, it's gonna take quite a bit of time. But if you do back testing on the behind the scenes, you're gonna get fast. I can't answer that. That's really depends on you. It depends on who is learning. If you're a fast learner, if you need more explanation, if you need how fast you understand stuff. I really can't answer it, but yeah. Value area low, significant delta level, buy aggression entering. Oi. Look at the foot, look at the delta, at the CVD. I would just love to see some trap sellers here. Some trap sellers. But I'm still gonna try. Yeah, I'm on demo account, so. Look at the CVD. They are going heavy. Really heavy. And the results, well, it's good. If it closes on the top, it means they won really good. Let's give it a try. Gonna scale in one here. Up to 25.0. Let me do this for contract. Stop limit here. First attempt. From what time to draw it? Yo, bro. Where can you clear doubt if I ask here? Yeah, sure, bro. We're at daily low volume node right now. That's a good long. Yeah, let's see. It's not the best long because I would like to see some trapped sellers. But this is on demo. Remember, guys, it's on demo account, so calma. I'm gonna cover below here. Since when do you trade? The beginning of January. That's when I started to trade live here. But since when I started to trade like before, I have a story. I can, if you want, I can make a YouTube video about it. But I think it's really similar to everyone here. ICT, price action into ICT. Technically, that's also price action, but yeah. No, wait. Al Brooks into ICT. Into TGR, into ICT, into what is it called? Yeah, into Tom Hugard, and then into AMT. So it's quite a run. Oi, 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 look at the foot. Oh, we're gonna come back to this level now. By the way, we rejected the high. Since poke up, how long did it take? For what? I'm still in the process of learning. Like, it's for what? To get a payout, maybe, if that's what you ask. Exactly, bro. I've been trading ICT for a year, then switched over for reason, and my trading has been going very well. Nice, nice, nice. Yeah, same. I have a short bias for now. Okay. I was a bit greedy, only 380. Rabbit hole. TGR PB trading PG trades. What the hell is that? What is PB and PG trading? PB. PB. What the hell is that? Mentors good. PB trading. What the fuck? Who the hell is this? $0 to $1 million. Yo, hey, yo, if they're, yo, yo, if their thumbnails look like this, run, run. $0 to $1 million. Yeah, okay. Some stuff are just fucking hilarious, man. Did this stuff. If we push below the high one, I know we might be bearish, to be honest. Let's see. Yeah, this is stuff. There's a lot of sell aggression on my feed that is not show you there. Huh? Swear. Man, the furious, bro. Which platform you use? Lucid. Is there a, if there's a ICT sign and the fake flexing their bicep? Bro, Fabio's thumbnails also look like that. Does Fabio thumbnails look like $0 to $1 million? Don't get me wrong, of course, if you want to get traffic, you have to make attractive thumbnails. But get rich in one model every day at 9:30 a.m. This is Fabio's thumbnails. Of course, you have to be a little, if you want some traction, you need like some traffic, make your thumbnails good. But my best trading session of the month, and he's showing you the trades. It's not it's not yeah, let's do Excali draw. It's not like I'm coming here like saying, what the fuck? Oh, how I made $1 million, I don't know, $1 billion every day 9:30 a.m. and then you come into my video and you see me do this. So we are chopping. Basically, I'm gonna draw out how to trade it. But then when you look at Fabio, bro, he's gonna take you to the chart.
Hello everyone.
And he's gonna trade it here in front of you. There's a big difference, bro. That's what I'm trying to say. Check Discord. Bro, if I open Discord now, my shit's gonna crash. I'm gonna be honest, bro. My PC is not healthy. I have to fix another health. I'm gonna check it after, bro, Ramon. Definitely. Wait for reaction. 24,600. Yo, Sammy, are you on TradingView? 24,600, bro. That's down here. I think you are on TradingView. That's why it's totally different. The problem now is that I don't have an order from Mento, so I kind of had hard collect info from YouTube. Fabio has Q2. Go to get his bootcamp. Go to the original one, okay? Don't take Baron Jeron McDonald's Trader or something else shit. Okay? If somebody can prove, like, okay, if you have a hard time, obviously Fabio won't give you a one-on-one session because it takes time. Go to a person that has results and is legit. Not losers that push stuff just to make money off you, okay? So go to Fabio, try it. He has a mentorship, he has his Q2, that shit. If that doesn't work, well, wait till you find somebody that has results, legit, and can learn and can help you. No problem with that. No problem with people that can learn. Like Luca Franceschi, what is called. A guy that knows what he's doing. Clearly, I've seen him trade from his videos and so on. It's like it. If you can find somebody like him, then go for that. You see the difference? Instead of me pushing, I'm gonna be honest with you, okay? Does Lucid pay? Yeah, I know that my big trade indicator show bubble in different I use. Yeah, Lucid pays. Why did you evidence buy levels? They get mentorship from people who came out of nowhere and believe that their shit is good. Until Fabio, who has a great entry in trading and has more to... Yeah. Go to the source. Don't go to... Get the Wagyu beef, not the McDonald's hamburger, okay? Bro, cheeseburger, okay? Go for a Big Mac. Something like that. What a dead fucking... Sorry for my language. This is how I got the levels. Trap sellers, significant buy level. Boom. Then we got this. So it's reacting from... And it's also technically value area low on this... on the current day's profile as well. Why didn't you take the longs? I was speaking. It's fiber, and I'm not gonna take that long because we have, bro. There's no participation. Where are the buyers? Where are the sellers? I could take it, but if you want AAA setup, you wait for trap sellers, aggressive buyers also entering up here, and yara yara. That's it. That's why. Is Fabio launching a second boot camp? No, I don't think so. KFC boss traders are better than MC. Yeah. You see why I didn't take a long? It's a good area for a long, but it's not enough results for me to take a long. Like, it's not enough evidence. Where are the buyers? Where are sellers? There's a good long there, Pav, to the 61 absorption. Where? Here. I would not take this long. I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, get real sushi in Japan, not in Pavlovich Normal House. What is your minimum contract for the big trades? 60, but today we use 40 because there's low volume. Here's the range. This is not a clean breakout. Ah, shit, my man. $107 sell absorb at 64. Am I missing something? 64. Huh? Wait. Bro, are you getting orders that I'm not getting? Or what is going on? What's up, Dark? 640. That's so far lower. Okay. Now this could be interesting. That voice crazy. Trap sellers at the bottom. Failed auction if this breaks. Failed to break down. Wait for the candle closure. And now let's see if we get some buy participation jumping in. Send it. Mark is really dead today, but VIX is so rhythmic. Trading view have different, yeah. Now it's getting interesting. He did not roll over his contract. I have rolled over my contract. Or you mean the guy that's on the 24,600 one? Oi, oi, oi. Trapped sellers at the bottom. Really tight stop loss if this accepts. Want to see it fail miserably. We get a failed auction here. Now this is a good setup. This is a great setup. Trap sellers at the bottom, aggressive buyers entering, and we have and they're getting paid. They're gonna find obstacle up here. Here's the first zone where they will have problems. But if we accept above here, we're gonna go up and seek the highs, I think. Okay, why don't you use the 40 range chart like Fabio? Fabio uses 1 minute and 40. Don't trade against the pressure. All right. Putting myself to break even. Taking out a little win in case it comes lower. In case this becomes a failed auction, I'm stopped out for break even, actually in profit. That's a quick reaction. Look to the tick. It says where will the sellers come in? Here we got the absorption. This is the zone. This is the next level. We also have this cluster here. Quite a big zone, to be honest. All of this. But let's see. I'm stopped out to break even, so let's see. I think many people catch this, huh? I believe some people catch this move really good. Let's see. Hopefully you guys have stop loss in profit now, because if this fails here, they hold it and push lower, we're gonna come back and revisit this area. So take at least some profits. What a slow market. Oi, oi, oi. Got 1.5k out of that move. Nice. Clean. Raman, I'm looking at your image right now. Where is this? 52. How do you have those contracts? Are you... What? This is a long-term trade. Really long-term. Oh yeah, what a dead market. Think I could have killed this trade right here, because this is most likely gonna go low now. But let's see, let's give it some time. I'm gonna aggressively scale in, or I'm gonna trail my stop loss. I use rhythmic. Look again. I didn't get anything. Oh no. That's so weird, bro. Why is it like that? How can you have... That's super weird. All right. Are we gonna get the take profit hit on the first one? Ah, this is gonna come back lower now. Okay. I trail it aggressively there. What is this profit? I think it's a 1 to 2, right? Where was the entry? Here. 1 to 7. not worth giving back all of this. So if this fails, they've fucked over those trap buyers or these buyers. So it's not worth giving back all that money or risking giving back all that money. Okay, good trade. I like it. Nice. Kill the trade here. What's the name of the playlist? It is Harris Heller. No, Ocularium, Harris Heller, Twitch safe, no copyright, Lofi Hip Hop 2021. Yeah. Why you're not trailing below big trades? Fabio had told in one video he trades big trades. I traded below here, and then when I saw this, then I put my stop entry or stop in profit below this wick. You cannot just trail it below. Obviously you can, but it's Nasdaq. It's gonna flick you out like in a tick, and then it's gonna send it. It's been 1.5 months since I started to learn using Deepchart. Okay. How would you say, should I move on? What would be your suggestion? A little bit again would be perfecto. Backtesting. Take what you have learned and backtest. We still have room to go up. Yeah, I know we have room to go up, but it's gonna come down. It's most likely gonna come down. Take this. And if it fails right now, okay, took it. Then we're gonna actually come down here again. Most likely. Why? Because buyers failed up here. No interest. They lost. On M5 looks like a P-shaped volume profile. Why not look for a buy and not? Why not look for a buy and not a sell? Because we did buy, bro. Wait, what? We bought. And you see what I mean? They failed. We took out the profit all the way up here. Why? Because if I held this, I'm break even now. But since I saw just this information, buyers losing here. Okay, I gave them one last chance because the price was up here, and I put my stop loss here in profit. And I took out some wind. Oh, do you use the strategy? Let me convince you. On my own. Wait, yeah, no. I like to trade, like, even if 100 people say go buy, I'm gonna take a sell if the model shows a sell for me. Why? Because I want to fail. I want to lose on my own. I want to win on my own. I don't take advices. Do you use the strategy from watch your videos? Did you chase something? Definitely changed. Definitely. Like the same concepts, but I definitely changed how I trade. I want to be more interactive in the market. I don't want to take a setup every, I don't know, 1, 2, 3 trades a week. Nice gambling. Yeah, hell. You know what's really gambling? That's if you follow advice from on YouTube. If the man himself came here to me, Fabio, yeah, I listen. Listen, like, obviously I'm gonna listen to what everyone says if you have some good insight and so on, but in the end, we all are students, right? We're learning from Fabio. So, yeah. Take advice from him. Okay. Do you plan to make a video with the recent strategy in the future? I don't know. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I'm gonna live trade it, so that's why. Isn't that better? You will see me win and fail in front of you guys. I'm legit showing everything. And there is no, not gambling, it's called discretion, yeah. Would you say the strategy... Yo guys, the strategy is... I'm gonna put it. I had a hard time with Fabio for one thing. I thought he had a strategy, yeah. But he has models, okay? And he has triple A setup, double A setup. Like, there's models. And you use what you see, what you have. For example, one guy told me, by the way, don't trade against the market. And I love the way he said it, because we are clearly bullish, but yeah, never mind. You take this. Here's his model. He sees a significant level, say this buy level that we marked out in the beginning of the stream. Price comes down here. Trapped sellers, amazing. Aggressive buyers, amazing. Entry here, stop loss below. There's a model, like, and say that we didn't have the trapped sellers. You can still take it, but it's not a triple setup, A setup. And then you also have this from him. We came back for the retest, or for the, this was the retest. Reacted, pushed above, that's why I traded below here. And now we came back again. But there's some more stuff to learn. Like, we got gaps, we got 100 stuff. So there's no strategy like, oh, do this, do this. It is discretionary trading, really. 60 contracts, but now 40. I only listen to my inner demons, so I am a lost cause. Fight it, bro. Fight it. Volume profiles plus order flow, big trades reading. Yeah. Delta levels, super significant. This is something, I'm gonna give you some sauce from my mistakes that I did, okay? I was so fixated on the volume profile, okay? Take this. I was so fixated on value area low. That was like, okay, when we come here, okay, we do this, we take a buy. Now, in this case, this was a super nice setup. I liked it very much. But the more significant thing is this. These levels, like all this is true trading, okay? Volume profile, the value area, for example, is just the Gaussian distribution on the standard deviation, on the first deviation. It just approximate where they might buy. But when you look at this is where they did buy. Value area where they might buy. If you are out of value, they might buy here. But this is where they did buy. So it's a higher chance they will buy here again. Okay? Go try it out. So prioritize the delta levels, not the volume profile. I just seen it from my own findings, okay? Yeah, for me, trading is more like reading big trades. Yeah, but I'm saying that you find a location and then you apply discretion mode. Yeah. There is a location, fixed location to yeah. Isn't that just a delta profile? Yeah. But if you pair it with value area low and value area high, even more confluences. Like it's a lot of stuff. And yeah, finding a location is coming first, I think. Yeah, definitely. And this market condition is really dead. I would have been stopped out for break even here. Yeah, I'm not gonna trade this anymore, I think. What a boring day. You gotta do update. Bro, you why do I have to do Papa Trump is coming soon. Okay, let's chill till he comes, then I'm gonna go off. Why should I wait? Fabio versus Donald Trump. Who can win according to you? So we have one guy that can control the whole market and one guy that can read the market. I'm betting on Fabio. Fuck it. I believe in loyalty. I believe in loyalty, guys. I don't give a shit if he's against Trump. For the love of the game, bro, you gotta make up the for the love of the game. Can you explain CVD indicator? That's the pressure of the market. Here, I'm gonna give you something. And I'm not gonna try to sound smart when I do it, because I know that people don't understand it. Look at this. You see CVD. It's like you put the foot on the pedal, okay? So when you see sellers putting their foot on the pedal, then you see these candles. They are clearly pushing. The purple ones are the sellers. The green ones are the buyers. So it's how much they are putting their foot on the pedal. That's it. And look at this. Here I'm going to give you a sauce. What the hell it's called. You see how we are moving up here? Price comes down. Look at this. I want to zoom in here. You see that price made a higher high? Maybe I can write it like this. Higher high. Or higher low, my bad. While CVD, what did it do? It went a lower high. What does this mean? Now use the logic that I told you. It's that they are putting their foot on the pedal, okay? These sellers, they put their foot to the pedal and try to short, go lower, right? But price went higher. It means buyers, passive buyers, they said, you're not going anywhere. Today, you're my bitch. Okay? And what happened? It sent it. That's how we can use CVD. Was that good enough? I'm with Papa Trump. I believe in loyalty, bro. I will go with Fabio. Who is more loyal? Real life girlfriend or my AI one? Oh, hell no, bro. Depends on girl, I guess. I don't know. Some sushi souls. CBD is a good use for having a result from the delta. Yeah. Thank you, Norris. So it's basically who is pushing the foot on the pedal. Just look at this, okay? Look how much they try to push, okay? Like, let's analyze it together. Look how much they try to push. Sellers. But where is the results? Huh? Where is the damn results? Nowhere. What that means, this is a wall, okay? This is a wall right here. I'm gonna clear it up so it's so easy to understand. And then what happens? Well, since we have a wall here, I don't know. You try it. You can play it like this, of course, but I'm not trading it like this. I'm just gonna try to explain the logic. That's the thing. We have a wall that we saw from the CVD. So if you want to take this bet, you try to cover below because you know there's a wall here. And you look for a trade. There's your CVD, how to use it. Did it make sense? What do you do then? You trail it to break even. Let me remove this. Let me remove this. Here, you trail it to break even and you are officially in a risk-free trade. Now, if it sends it to the moon, by all means, go ahead. If it doesn't, by all means, come back. I won't lose anything. It's funny how my CVD looks different. Okay, you explain it like shit, but we just but I still bro, take it easy on the front. Yeah, we all got broken English, man. Come on. Come on, man. That's not a volume profile setup, right? All setups should be based on volume profile lines. Yeah, this is not. I was just explaining CVD and how we can use it and so on. I think mine is shattered, not broken. We all got broken English. This is what happens when you put... I don't know where you guys are from, but... you put a group of people with broken English in one Discord or in one server. Yeah. We're gonna explain it to each other, but... how we do it, yeah, that's that's the big question. Come on, Trump, get in, start talking, man, so I can see look for something. I'm gonna trail it aggressively because if this goes fail here again, it's gonna go lower. If it doesn't, it's gonna go higher. There's your profit. Boring day. To be honest, people with broken English are more funnier. Let's be honest. Isn't it easier to understand a guy with broken English than a guy with like academically fluent English speaking? I don't know. Because when I say stuff, I say if he does this, shit. If he does this, good, huh? While he's like, Yeah, according to my approach, you know, is bro, shut the fuck. Come to this fucking point. Make it easy to understand. It's a big cell delta right now. But my English is understandable. So, you gonna trade the news? Nah, I'm done for today. I'm not even gonna trade more. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's shit. Have you guys heard about that? But like, listen to Fabio, for example. When he says when a guy with a good English comes and tell you like, yeah, your analysis is not the best, bro, you're not thinking enough about this and this, but then you have Fabio come and he tells you your analysis is garbage. You're like, oh oh shit. It feels a lot more. But he said a lot less. When he says the exactly, we all understand, huh? You understand more from that than you understand from a guy sounding smart, okay? That primitive English pop for the caveman. My bad, guys. My bad if you guys are your first language is English. It isn't mine. I know around 5 languages, but English is not the most. Yeah, I'm not. I think I'm good enough at it, but definitely not on an academic level, if I would say so. We're using the same broken accent. I like it. I like it. That means you understand me better. Just think about it. Like in my country, when you speak to a guy, when you speak to a person that has not the best Swedish, for example, and he's like, I understand him. I know perfect Swedish, of course, but I understand him so good because he is straight to the point. He wants to take the bus to a place. He's gonna say bus and the place. And I understand directly. Oh, okay, take this, do this, you know. And if you compare it to a guy that is trying to learn Swedish, for example, and try to sound good and I don't know, academically, bro, I'm not gonna understand him. He's gonna talk like a geek. I don't know. It's not gonna work. He's gonna try too hard, but he's gonna be bad. The power of broken English. Bliat just got pressed the trade button. It's like more comfortable to hear Indian English video. Okay. Okay. Yo, if I held this trade, I would have been stopped off a break even either way. But some guy told me don't go against the pressure of the market. Mamma mia, ragazzi. Yo, I wanna learn some Italian. I can understand English movies, that's enough. Yeah, bro, if it's not your primary language, like your first language, who gives a shit? Really, who gives a shit? Is someone's Indian traders? I've seen some Indian traders. I don't understand it. They are always in profit, for example. They are never losing. Every time, if I go on YouTube, like, and I see some Indian trader, he is always in profit. I have no idea how. And he's scaling in like 200 Nasdaq contracts. So I'm like, okay. All right, buddy. Hell no, the accent is too much for me. Yeah, Indian. When I do, because I am a machine learning engineer, I listen to them. They're good coders, the Indian guys. sometimes it's so hard to understand, to be honest. But they are really good at what they're doing. Really good. Props the broker. There are trades using gold. Wedding strategy on gold. Nah, bro. And they always trade gold. Always positive. I've never seen a guy lose. Okay, we got news in 3 minutes. I'm gonna wait for the pump, dump, and the yara yara, and then I'm gonna close the stream. Do you know this strategy? No, bro, I don't know this. They're always doing some stuff. They're eating the words, so it's hard to understand them. Oh yeah. This is real strategy without joy. Swear, gold weeding strategy. Swear. Papa Pablo, give me good luck for tomorrow. What's happening tomorrow, bro? Do you have some exam or something, or are you doing trading? I'm gonna send you some luck. No worries, bro. Question: what is the thing that go up but never come down? I don't know if you can think about it, but time always goes up, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the time. Okay, in the real world time, it never goes down. What goes up but never goes down? What's the thing that go up but never came down? I need 650 more to pass my eval. Oh, take it slow, Raman. No stress. Follow your strategy. You got this, bro. Just Google this. Okay, I'm gonna check it out after, bro. Let's see if they accept the price around with the buy. Yeah, full port on short path. Yeah, go do it, bro. Just tell me how it went. Answer, my draw. Hey, fucking I need 1,400 USD to pass eval, bro. In Apex, I was tuned, but Friday I had... Okay, take it slow, bro. Bro, jokes aside, the rant is GOAT. I have done so much backtakes. Out of 15, 12, them are winning. Nice. I like it. Yeah, by the way, I got some stuff from Nuan, what is it called? I'm gonna tell you guys, this is crazy, but I'm so happy for her. But she's really new. She was really new to everything, okay? And I mean, she started behind everyone, okay? Her English is not apparently good. She doesn't understand it quite good. She has to translate everything. She learned, like Raman, exactly what you did, and she managed to pass an account. You guys don't understand. Might be easy for you guys, but this is a person that started from the bottom. I can't stress it enough. This is a person that started from the bottom and managed to pass an account. I don't know in which pace, or I know it was legit at least, but it says quite a lot. That means order flow says quite a lot. Okay. Okay, market open. Trump started to speak, and we stayed in the area. Okay, that might be time to shut down this stream. I managed to pass FTMO2 my first. Load immediately though. You managed to pass it. If you pass it like for real, in a legit way, that's more than enough, bro. It's easier to trade a funded account. I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how it is for you guys, but it's easier to trade a funded account than it is to trade an eval account. Funded, you can earn how much you want. you have no time to get rebuild or anything. Evil account. I know that funded feels like real money, but it's the same shit. They just press reset on your account. That's nothing more than that. And evil account, you get rebuild. That's gonna put some stress on you. You have rules that are fucking crazy. You have yeah, you're stressed. That's how they make money off you also. While a funded account, you don't have any stress. You can take one micro trade the whole month. You're not gonna blow it if you follow your model. And this is the only trading I learned, and it's crazy. Nice, 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 man. If you didn't do ICT and TGR, well done for you. Like, we're good for you, bro. I'm gonna be honest. You saved some money. Oi, oi, oi. This is a day I wouldn't trade. Yeah. This is definite. This was the only legit setup of the day that we took as well. But if you want to hold it till tomorrow, by all means, go ahead, do your thing. I have doubt like course seller can really buy jets and Bugatti, how they earn and show that lifestyle when there's strategy behind. You want to know how? They show you, they paint how they trade. They show you your results. Yeah, they fake everything. Or they take, say I take money from everyone here to watch me. I don't know. I take money. I full port. I buy 10 Apex accounts, okay? And I full port every one of them or something. I don't know. You get, I don't know how many funded. You full port top up and low, and like you short on one and you long on one on 5 accounts or on 10 accounts equal. Oh my god, what's up, bro? You have a total number of 10 accounts, okay? You full port 5 long, you full port 5 long, short. Okay, 5 of them will get funded, okay? Then when you are funded, you take the money you got from the community by fooling everyone. You purchase the accounts, like the funded stuff and yada yada. Now you have 5 funded account. What do? This is on a small scale. You then full port 2 accounts long and 2 accounts short, okay? And then you can publish, oh look guys, the short long I took, I made 10k bro on 2 accounts. And I put it on YouTube and people gonna go, oh my god, I want also. And then you just repeat the process, repeat it, or you can ask people, like, you know, you can Photoshop payouts as well. You can go that route. Guys, it's not easy, it's not hard to fool people. I'm started with Ryan's trading, then 1 month later 5 with I'm revenue charges. Okay, nice. It's good. Pav, imagine my brother put 50k contract by mistake on a fund at 60. Yo, if that happens, bro. Wait, did he actually do it, bro? And you woke up with 60k in profit. That's not, no, you gotta be joking, right? Today again, meeting in the DC. No, not today. We don't have any meeting. Woke up and it's gone. What? Wait, explain, bro. What happened? No way. Oh, but still, doubt they even get millions for people. There are a lot of fools that think that, yeah, you can lease a Lamborghini. You don't even have to have millions, bro. You can lease it. It's not so expensive. But you will not get a payout when you hedge. If you do it long enough, with enough contracts and like with enough accounts, bro, you can get the payout. You can. You're gonna lose so much, but It's a process. That's the thing they are paying. So either you do that process or you fake and a payout with just a PDF or something. It's hard to tell a fooled person that he got fooled. Yeah. Iman is gonna expose you. Who, me? You know, I got a guy. No, he was running. Oh shit! No way, man. That's crazy, Rahman, bro. By the way, a guy wrote to me because he had took he took Fabio's Q1 session, Q1 mentorship. I don't know, call it that. Fabio says in the mentorship, if you're gonna look at somebody, if you're gonna follow somebody, he talks about the fake trading gurus and how they're not live trading. He's like, if you're gonna look at somebody, go to a guy that is live trading in front of you and losing and winning. So then he wrote to me and he said, I don't know if I should say it. But basically, how can I explain it without like... It became... Basically, he said, I'm one of the guy that does it. And he's gonna... He was not... He became racist at the end. It's not towards me. And I don't think I can say it here on the live, okay? But he said some stuff like he's gonna go after people. This kind of like... Yo, if you are in this live right now, the guy I'm talking about, please. I'd rather you tell the story because I don't want to say anything so I don't get banned for, I don't know, saying stuff that's not appropriate. But yeah, he's gonna go after some trading gurus that you guys know about. Oh yeah. Let me see if you're in here, bro. Please let them know. I'm not gonna tell it. I'm not gonna say it. No, I want to know what. It's crazy. It's crazy. No, it's not. In a way, he said this. Like, I'm gonna give you like a. I'm gonna go around it. He is going after people that are... He got scammed, okay? I don't know what guy he took the mentorship from, but basically he took the mentorship from some guy. He got scammed and he got so mad that he's gonna go after one by one. And the way he's gonna do it is... I don't think I can say it, man. It's not... Do you guys know when you... How hack? I don't know how to say. I don't want to say the word because I might get fucking... It's like a hack where you... Online hack. When you send it, you take control. You do stuff because he's a really good... he's working in cybersecurity, this guy. So he's really good at infiltrating systems. Okay? I'm gonna leave it like that, okay? So basically, he wrote to me about it that he wanted to do it on me. Trojan, I don't know. I'm not that good in it, but yeah, towards that area, okay? And I'm not. So he wrote to me and told me like, "Yo, Pavlovich," he's like, "I just want to tell you two things. First of all, thank you for everything you're doing, yada yada, and I appreciate you. And secondly, you are really lucky." And I said, why? He said, well, I'm on a mission to go and do all of that. And he's taking the Fabio's Q1 thing, yada yada. So, and Fabio said, if a guy is live trading in front of you, losing and doing, he's legit. Like, I'm legit. I'm losing and winning in front of you guys. So now that guy was so mad because some other guy has fooled him, and yeah. So he's going after one by one, and apparently I passed because I'm showing everything and I'm not scamming people. So keep an eye on some people on YouTube, guys. If they disappear, like if their channel goes to shit. They cook, just say it. What Rahman said on the end, yeah. But I'm not part of it. I escaped it, okay? Today, profit or loss. Today was demo account. It was not real trading. And on Deepchart account. But yeah, I'm profit. I'm up $770. By the way, the reason why I don't show this side, I can show it, but I have a wide screen, okay? Wait, let me just fix it again. So here's my profit. You can see it there. But it's on demo. I didn't trade today. You see? Oh shit, now I have to fix it back. The reason I have it like this is because I'm on a wide screen. And if I wanted to cover it all, I will have to trade like this. I have to fix it like this. Oh my god, this shit. Okay, basically it becomes really cringe way to trade it. And people shouldn't be driven by profits. So many people are, yo, show me profit, show me this, show me that. No, look at my trades, fuck the profits. What if I made $150? If I made $15,000 but my trade was shit, who gives a shit? Like, screw the profits, look at the trades. Did you take Fabio's program Q1? I did it on a late notice. I don't know how to say it. I was lucky. I got in the end, but I did it under a different. Yeah, I took it. Yeah, bro, the volume is so dead. I wanted to keep it on the low key because I had school. And the thing is, if people knew that I took the program, then they're gonna tell me, bro, please share. Like, please do videos, do this. And I can't focus if I have to do, like, if I get a lot of requests. Today, bro, the volume is, yeah, today paper trading. Yeah, and deep chart contest trading. Nothing specific. When volume is dead, the best strategy is put up my headphone. Okay. Can you do recap from beginning of the day? Like, what was your bias and what made you take the trade you took? Could you quickly... What is this? Okay, I don't know. Okay, shit. Yeah, okay. You want recaps of today's trades? Wait, do you want recap of today's... my testing trades or my real trade? Because today was one real trade. And it's this one. This is the AAA setup. One trade today. Nothing more. Or you want my Fugazi trades that I took real? You save people some kind of time of those. Yeah. Real everything. But these ones are not... No, I'm not gonna show you guys these. These are not good. These are just testing. Here. Try to take these trades. Stopped out. Try it again. I think this was a... No, this was the stop out. All of this is shit. It's nothing good. I'm not gonna tell them because people might actually use them and it's not ideal. Here's the real trade. Shows the real one. What school subject? I'm pursuing master degree in computer and system science, so machine learning, data analyst, and data engineering, all of that stuff. Okay, okay. Let me show this before I close the stream. Okay, I'm gonna take you through it, and I'm gonna teach you how to teach you. That sounds crazy. Okay, are you ready, bro? It's the left chart 5 in the profile. Yeah, exactly. How I started the day, you can rewatch the video, the stream after I'm done now. I come into the day, look at the Kotte report. Long term, you see how many contracts? 333,000. Long, 196. Okay? So we are long term short. But short term, I look at the changes. So what did they do? They took out 40,000 short contracts. And they took out 10,000 long contracts, okay? So, in other words, they took out quite a bit of short contracts, and that tells me we are more bullish than bearish, okay? And what did confirm this? I love it because I told this idea, and then a guy came into this stream and told me, yo, this is right. I was correct on it. So, what I said was this. So I plotted up the whole volume, like the whole range. This is a balanced range, okay? Value area high, value area low. So what I said was we came up here last week, okay? And then when we came back down here and they took out 40,000 contracts short, that means they took profits in value area low down here. And this is what Fabio also said, apparently, according to a guy who came in, because he was on his profile framing session. So what does this mean? Well, I'm bullish, okay? I come into the market. What do? I'm gonna just tell you the real trade, okay? This is the real trade. We come into the market. We can plot it like this. Doesn't matter. We can plot it like this. Okay. And I come into with the narrative that I'm bullish. Now, price was here. This didn't even happen. All of this. Price pushed up out of this zone, this value or this balance. You see this balance? Came down, retested the breakout point. All of this. Trap sellers, okay, try to enter. I'm gonna include it. This is the trade I should have. This was my first trade. I got stopped out. It freaked me out. But who gives a shit about that? This is what I'm gonna show you. So you understand it. Okay, we pushed out of balance, came down, trapped sellers, trying to enter here and send it higher. It happened. Timing wasn't the best, that's it. Then price came lower. I'm still bullish. When price comes lower, value area low, absorb sellers and buyers, the delta levels. I'm marking them out, okay? Price comes here. Look at the OG setup, like I call it. So we have our level. We have trapped sellers. That's check one. Now for a AAA setup, we wait for the aggression, which also happened. And that is why we took this trade. Now I traded really, I would have held it all the way up here, but I traded really aggressively. So when price did this on the trap buyers here, I had my stop loss below because I trailed it. No point in giving back all of this. It would have been a break even as well. But yeah, that was the legit only trade. These were but this was the legit one. Let me know if you want me to go through it like again, but really short, because maybe I was yapping too much. Why AAA setup? Reason. Important level. trap sellers, aggressive buyers. And caught report in direction with caught report, in direction with the bias. Like we have like 5 stuff. You did great, took that too. Okay, nice. Yeah, this was a really clean setup. And I found it funny. One guy told me, don't go against the pressure. Pressure is up, bro. Please again about the code report. Okay, I got you. Screw the long term, okay? Just look at the short term. Short term, we look at S&P also because this is the leading index. It's the highest volume. Look at the shorts. They took out 40,000 shorts. And they took out 10,000 longs, okay? That means they took out more short contracts than long contracts. So it's a good indication that we're bullish, okay? But just put 1 + 1 the other and you get the delta. Okay? And then I saw this and I was like, okay, why did they take out 40,000 contracts short? And it makes sense. They took profits down here. That's why they canceled, like they took out 40 contracts, 40K, 40,000 contracts. That's it with the COT report. Go to, this is the S tier setup. Yeah, definitely. Oh, but the market is dead today. It's that's the thing. This would have gone much faster if there was it was volume in the market. Do you watch CVD divergence as support resistance? I watch in terms of reward versus effort, and yeah, Fabio doesn't really watch it. It's good for beginners, and I'm also a beginner. I'm gonna be honest. None of us are like professionals, but I want to practice without having to look at it. I like to look at the market like this. We have our zone. And I really don't need CVD, but CVD is really good if you want to look at this, for example. Scally draw. It's good to see who is controlling the market, who is pressuring, and so on. But if you want to use CVD, okay, say for example, this is the setup that we wanted to take today, okay? This is the level, okay? That I marked out. Here, let's do it like it was. It is something like this, right? And then we had this sell level, sell aggression up that we marked out, which reacted perfectly. It was fucking nice. Okay, and then we had our let me do this. This is the level we wanted to buy from, down here, okay? What I would want to look at, if I want CVD, this is what I would look at. So when price went up here, CVD was going higher until this point. And then when price is going lower, oh my bad, when price is going lower like this, I want to see, for example, when we come here, how is CVD acting? So if they are showing like this, but price is chopping its way down, so meaning if CVD shows something like this, like big aggression from the sellers, right? Really much, they are pushing the pedal, but price is doing this, it's chopping. So basically price is doing this, but CVD is showing this. What does that mean? Well, buyers are fucking holding, they're holding you. It means that they are entering, like they are passively entering, loading it. And then when we reach our level, boom, 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 trap sellers, flick, aggressive buyers, boom, send it, stop loss below, up here. And when we watch the chart, Well, here you have it. That's how I use CVD. My bad if my English is shit. I'm trying my best to explain stuff. I don't know, Hendrik, did I answer your, or did only the trade bubbles in terms of reward versus effort? I'm looking at everything, all information I can get. Can you explain your left screen? 5-minute time frame, volume profiles. That's it. Bro, please get off the chart today. It's so boring. Yeah, I'm done, guys. Yeah, this is a good time to stop the stream. It's 16:57 here. See you tomorrow, guys, if you're gonna join it or not. Yeah. Yeah, I have a Discord in the YouTube description. I don't push it. I don't push my Discord. I don't care that much about the Discord. No, I care about it, but yeah, I'm not trying to push it that much. I'm here to trade. Can you explain trap, sellers, aggressive buy? Oh shit, bro, that's a lot. Traps, really fast, really fast. I'm gonna take you guys really fast, then I will turn off the stream. Price comes down here. Trap sellers is aggressive sell orders entering here. Buyers entering here. I call it the OG setup. One gets fucked, the other one's winning. And here it is in the chart. Exactly here. That's where we enter. Before it even closed. And CVD with this is well, I didn't even look at CVD, to be honest. When it comes to these areas, I usually just look at the bubbles. Yeah, CVD, they are pushing really hard. Yeah, sometimes you don't see anything specific, to be honest, on CVD. Can you explain? Okay, every verb is the. Yeah, exactly. On the 5-minute. Got it. Thanks. See you around. You on tomorrow? Yeah, every day. Every trading day, at least. We want to know your daily schedule. 14:15 my time is until this time. That's the time I trade. Nothing else. We don't need CVD. Everything is visible in big trade. Yeah, exactly. You can also, yeah, CVD, big trades, yara yara. Fabio doesn't really use it, but it's good for beginners. I'm beginner. I don't pretend as being an expert, but yeah. Bro, all right. See you, Peng. Bro, don't forget. I need some clear explanation. Yeah, I will check it out. Sure, bro. I will check it. If it's too much, bro, I really don't have time. That's like a service in that case. Like if I have to take time and yeah, but I will check it out. I please stay healthy. You too, Fabio, just using big trade for speed of tape. Yeah, from what I've seen, yes. Take care, everyone. All right, everybody, have a good rest of your day. Trade wisely. Take care. See you tomorrow, if we even see you tomorrow. If you're gonna join tomorrow. All right, bye everyone.